Paper and Plastic Products Company Limited, hereinafter abbreviated to Chance Star, is a serious factory operated for years. Its factory is located in the China printing city, Longgang, Wenzhou City, Zhejiang Province. Chance Star is a manufacturing and trading enterprise which incorporates production, selling, and sourcing services. The products of Chance Star are mainly based on paper and/or plastic materials such as paper tubes, paper boxes, plastic bags, diploma folders, mats and pads, hologram stickers, advertising fans, etc. The products are middle and high-grade oriented and cover industries like packaging and printing, office and school, promotion and gifts, etc. The main markets of Chance Star are in the Europe and America and the Southeast Asia and the domestic. Designing, sampling, production, inspection, delivery. Chance Star is meticulous on each working procedure, and all our staffs do the best to serve each client. Chance Star persists in taking the principle of people-oriented, clients foremost, and provides each client with quality products and satisfied services. Chance Star has already awarded some sound reputation from domestic and abroad. Chance Star is keeping on its persistent style to attract more clients from abroad and China. Chance Star hereby warmly welcomes the cooperation from all clients and partners at home and abroad. Mutual benefit and win-win cooperation is always our pursuit. Welcome to visit our factory and negotiate business potentials.